been a very tough week. Lots of cases going up and the lockdown and everything. Pretty stressful. But let's let that not affect our passion for food and our love for food. And let's keep the spirit alive. And we keep looking forward to teach you something healthy this week as well, and we'll come up with some amazing combos this week as well, which you can order through WhatsApp or through phone calls. And let's start with our first recipe. We are starting with creamy spinach soup. So let the chef take over with that, and hope you enjoy the session. We have some amazing dishes today, quite healthy as well. So let's try the soup, and hope you enjoy the session and try it out at home. Do tag and post it on Instagram if you try it at home, and let us know how you enjoyed it and how easy was it to cook at home. And if you don't want to also, you can just order us through WhatsApp or a phone call, so we can deliver it at your place if you don't want. And so yeah, let's start with creamy spinach soup.
So today we have got creamy spinach soup for the first part. So we're gonna show you how you make the creamy spinach soup. For that we have blanched the spinach and made it as a puree and kept it separately. This is palak. So we blanched the spinach and made it into a puree. So you have to just blanch it for a couple of minutes in a hot water and add some salt and grind it. And here I got some cream and some milk here, and some butter, garlic and onion. So let's go. We're gonna add some good amount of sugar in the butter. We are making a roll. So you can see the roux is cooking little by little. That we are adding the milk. For it to simmer. This is the right time for you to season your soup by adding some salt, pepper and the sugar. Just a little bit of sugar for it to enhance its taste. You can see the milk is getting thicker. we're gonna add the spinach paste now. It is nothing but spinach boiled with some garlic and onion, blanched together and made as a puree. We're gonna add the heavy cream now. And now we let the spinach paste cook along with the milk and the mixture. So now our soup is ready to serve. You can see it is so nice and smooth and creamy. It's very easy to make at home because we already have the spinach, and all that we have to do is blanch it with some onion and garlic and make it a puree. And so healthy. And we garnished with some more heavy cream and some chili flakes. That looks so pretty. So we will catch you up with our next dish in couple of minutes. So by then we'll set up the place for the next dish. Thank you.